Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra, and I make minimalist videos. So today's video is going to be how to make shoes that are too big fit. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. Woo. So have you bought a pair of shoes and whatever, like you had to have them and they turned out to be the wrong size because you couldn't try them on and you ordered them online? Yeah, story of my life. So anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys with this pair of shoes that I have. It's too big. It's two sizes too big, and for the longest time I was like, what the hell am I gonna do? But the solution is actually really simple. I'm sure you can like check out a bunch of other videos, but I went online and I looked at other videos and I was like, oh my god, the solution is so easy. So anyway, what you do is you take your shoe and you actually layer up another insole. Yeah, pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you guys. So you take like your original sole, and then you layer up a sole, and you can just like order that online off of eBay, and you just put it together, and then you put it into your shoe. And you just put it in, and it will fit like a charm. So I'm gonna put that in. So here's the shoe with the regular, just the one sole, like just by itself, like the original sole. If I put my foot in, you guys are gonna see that it is just way too floppy and big. You can see like in the back, my like foot pretty much comes out. And then in the front part, you can see like how much space I have. So, and then here, like my toe is like, there's this much space. Wait, like you can see where my toe is. Yeah, see? So I have like this much space. So through the magic of editing, let's edit it so the shoe will fit in 3, 2, 1. Here's the shoe now with the insole, and I'm gonna put my foot in, and you guys are gonna see, pardon my other, that the tip, it raises the foot and it makes it a whole lot more comfortable, and you can see like the spacing here is a lot smaller, so it fits a lot better. I'll show you guys from another view. There, you can see like the ankle, the back part's not coming out anymore. And there you have it. This video is really easy, really simple. I know sometimes the best solution is the easiest solution. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!